Hi, I'm Pam Hayes from Hayes Sewing Machine Company, and I just wanted to show you what is in Bernina's box. They have a beautiful gift box that Patricia will pan down for the 2023 season. So we're going to open it up and see what's inside. It has a kind of a heavy metallic, magnetic, I should say, close. So just be aware of that. And there you go, it opens it up, and it has a lot of cute things inside. And if you like opening up little gifts, you're in for a big treat. This particular one here is going to be a ruler kit. So if you have a ruler foot, you have new rulers to work with. So that's the first one. They also have Bernina's number 1 foot gold, and it's gold plated. So when you open it up, it is literally gold plated. And it gives you some gold thread. So you can have gold as your theme. Alrighty. Now, next one. Oh, this looks like it feels like a pair of scissors. I could be wrong though. Oh, oh, look at those. Feel wonderful. All right, that's worth the price of admission right there. All right, next one. They have a USB stick, and I'm sure they have all sorts of pretty embroidery designs on said USB. You're also going to have I would say fat quarters from Benartex, and it looks like it has Bernina fabrics. So that is beautiful, because we all need some new fabrics. Alrighty. Oh, there you go. For the Bernina hard lovers of Bernina, there you go. You have a little Bernina sewing machine. And let's keep going. And I would say this is the scarf. Yep. There's a Bernina scarf. Look at that. It has scissors. It has the feet pincushion. And it says made to create. Alrighty. And this is because we work up a thirst and we're getting so thirsty. You have a tumbler. I think they said it was 24 ounces, so that'll keep you hydrated. Alrighty, and then the last box in here, you have some cotton 50 weight thread, because we can't have fabric without having some thread to sew with. Alright, then up in this section we also have, these two are going to be code cards for their classes that they have, and the code cards are for Bernina Skill Hub and a digital subscription to their Inspiration magazine. So those are going to be in those. And then when you flip this guy up, you are going to have something else. Oh, this is the vegan shopper with recycled lining. Let's just open this guy up to see what's going on. Oh, Okay, and you have, I'm glad I opened it. Oh, it's the straps. All right. So, sewing instructions for the vegan, and they give you, it's not together, you are putting it together, and they give you step-by-step instructions on how to do it. Alrighty. So, if you want to treat yourself, or you have a friend that's into sewing, you think, oh, this would be perfect, or there you go. See you next time.